Big dog. You already see the badge. It's a clean spoiler. Full carbon fiber. All the downforce. This thing is beautiful. Hand built with pride, he said. Got a Roush edition right here. Pretty clean. I like that red though. Okay, little tool setup.
That's so cute.
That's clean. This is my next car. I want one of these so bad. It's nice. You got a rhino liner too. Okay, right hand drive, boys.
On the way here too.
Here, I can get these. Oh, you're good.
This towel fell on the ground. You want to wipe it on the paint.
Interior is clean. Carbon dash. These seats are clean.
I love this.
And
Yeah, those seats are nice. We are officially registered. My first car show. And we got a t-shirt. We'll continue to look at the rest of the cars here. I'm kind of excited. And just like that, we are officially in the car show. Let's go, boy. This was definitely random. I just kind of came to check out the cars, but I ended up entering the car show, so let's go. Lexus are here. Kind of dirty, but it's still clean. Go ahead and check out the rest of the cars. Black Cadillac V3, boy. Clean interior. One thing I can say I don't like is how people always have themes to the cars, like Batman, Spider-Man, Superman, Cookie Monster over there, which we'll see in a little bit. But I mean, it's everyone's builds are respected all. Oh, got the twin turbskis. Okay. Little Honda Accord with the bedazzled lug nuts.
Missing one?
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Clean. Black interior. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Little Jeep. Track. That's not a track hog. She told me it was something, but definitely themed.
I want the rhinestones like that.
The rhinestones. Nice.
On the door handle.
Cracking, whatever, however you pronounce it. Oh, this bedazzled thing right here. That's nice.
Look at the thing in the middle.
And the
spinning.
thing, yeah, the things.
That is so cool.
Octopused out. And then here we go. The Cookie Monster. Oh. But bro. Me want cookie. I'm surprised this shit hasn't caught on fire.
Oh.
It's like, oh, and he even has one over here. Okay, at this point, I think you're just doing too much. This is a nice Challenger though. Basic factory color.
Is that the rose for your rival?
Got the rose. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Boy got that rose. Over there playing with that bean, boy. Boo. Betsy Boo. Betty Boop. Betty Poop. His subs are upside down. Little themed Challengers, C3. Betty Boop. Did I pronounce it right this time?
TTY, Betty Boop.
Betty Boop. Rhymes with poop. Red roof. Clean. For you Betty Boop lovers out there. With a backpack. Oh, that's pretty nice. Oh, hilarious. That is fucking funny as fuck. That's funny. Oh god, this guy and his stickers. If they had a reward for stickers, I think this guy definitely won that. That's hilarious. Okay, we got the old school classic. This green, this paint is hidden though. That's clean. Nice color. Okay. I'm kind of confused on this color, if it's paint or if it's like wrap or if it's like a plastic dip. But it looks nice for what it is. Got a little ram here. Hemi. Interior's pretty modified. Got the ski mask right there, okay. Diamond stitching. Okay, about to steal your cigar, dog. Boy, got that chandelier, hold up. This is beautiful. The paint job is crazy, the interior is crazy, the engine bay is insane. Speed runner for sure. Interior, man. Nice little decal. Okay. This is probably one of my favorite cars here. Well, my second favorite. You know my car's first. But this is definitely probably one of my favorite cars. As far as trucks, I think this white truck right here is my favorite truck. Here, of course, we got another Corvette, drop top. Not a big fan of convertibles, but his windshield is absolutely dark as hell. He's probably in there right now, honestly. That's nice. The tint's nice. The car's nice. Convertible top. It's kind of greenish, but eh. Okay, here we go. This is what I need in my life. This is what I need in my life right here, bro. Repaint it white, a pearl white with some metallic in it. LS in it. Put a Terpsky in it, and I'll be happy. Beautiful truck. I wonder what he has under the hood, because it looks like he has a fat tire on the back. Oh, he got some goodies in there. You can't tell, but he got something in there for sure. This is goals right here. I love this truck. Nice little truck.
Hard to see without my glass.
Okay, Silverado. Lifted, boys. That's nice. I definitely think I'm a fan of this truck. This is nice. Lifted. Got the little Miata. The little Miata. Civic boys. Okay. Got the sauce. Nice. I see this guy around all the time. If this is the one I'm thinking of, this thing is actually pretty fucking quick. Fuel tank in the back. Done up right. This thing's nice. This is nice.
Came to town and bought the Chick-fil-A. I said, I worked here back with.
This is pretty neat. Okay. Bro, this door looks so long. And the carpet in this thing is crazy. The dash is crazy. Got that Pioneer den. That's crazy. Old school. Definitely unique. I didn't realize this was green flakes in there. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought it was just black, but it has some green metallic in there. Nice little touch to it. Little Camaro. A little trunk setup. Okay. They didn't have much of a trunk anyways, so you did something with it. That's good. This truck is nice. If it ain't white, it ain't right, brother. White cars are just the way to go. Custom box in there. I want to hear this thing. I bet you it sounds insane. Overall, it's simple. It's clean. Simple but clean, for sure. Definitely one of my dream old school trucks right here. I don't know if this is actually one of them, but I don't like the long bed. I want like a short bed, C10. That's my ultimate dream car, dream truck. That's a cool little bike. What the heck? A Sky Trike. That's pretty neat. Crazy. The same guy that built that bike built this truck. That's crazy. All everything custom. Oh, I seen it.
The only bad thing is the one side, the other side of the bed cover. I was to make a four-door truck. One good spend all the money on that.
Hey. Trophies? Okay. I just can't get over this GT500, bro. It's just so clean. It's just so nice. Okay, Corvette. Man.
Because with the cam that they sent me was the wrong one.
Uh-huh.
And I went ahead and put it in there anyways, and it's set up for boost.
Yeah.
And so I'm thinking about just go ahead and
Go ahead and throw that blower on there, huh? That'd be nice. That'll be some fun for real.
oh yeah. It's been a word. Like I said, we bought it and it was 100% stock from an old.
Alright guys, well, that was all the cars. There wasn't much here. It rained last night pretty hard, so I'm sure a lot of people didn't expect this thing to continue on today. And like I got on Facebook today and seen it, so I decided to pull up. Like I said, I was just gonna pull up and just look at the cars, but someone asked me if I wanted to register my car, so here we are, registered. We'll chill out for a little bit longer. They announced like rewards here in a few minutes, so we'll stick around for that and see how that goes. I mean, like I haven't been here that long, so, and there is not really that many people here, so we'll see. And a good experience. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, comment. Love you guys. Peace.